Hello students, welcome to Sanal Nair's Engineering Academy. I hope you are doing all good. So in today's video we are going to discuss about hydrostatic law. Okay, so what is hydrostatic law, how it is derived, let us understand. सबसे पहले तो समझ लेते हैं and then we are going to derive. So hydrostatic law is used to find out pressure. Okay, it is used to find out pressure at any point. कौन से भी point में अगर आपको pressure find करना है, कौन से भी point में अगर आपको pressure find करना है, then you can easily use the hydrostatic law. You can easily use the hydrostatic law. So for example, consider the fluid surface. So ये fluid surface है. So consider this as a fluid surface. So this will be the fluid surface, students. Okay, it is denoted like this, a triangle and these three lines. Now we'll consider here the object, एक element consider करते हैं A, B, C, D. This is an element which is filled inside the liquid. Liquid के अंदर एक object है. This is the object that is inside the liquid. Perfect. ओके सो जो डिस्टेंस रहेगा ऑब्जेक्ट का फ्रॉम फ्लूइड सरफेस दैट विल बी डिनोटेड बाय z स्टूडेंट्स. z मींस द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम फ्लूइड सरफेस टू द फेस AB, और जो ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस है दैट विल बी dz, वी विल डिनोट इट बाय dz. ओके, वी ऑल नो वन थिंग स्टूडेंट्स, प्रेशर का फॉर्मूला. प्रेशर का फॉर्मूला क्या है? फोर्स अपॉन इट्स एरिया. सो द फॉर्मूला फॉर फोर्स विल बी व्हाट? प्रेशर इनटू इट्स एरिया. प्रेशर इनटू व्हाट? प्रेशर इनटू इट्स एरिया रहेगा. सो वी आर डीलिंग हियर विद डेरिवेशन. सो ए विल गेट denoted by a dA for a separate area. For a derived area we will talk. So जो force act होगा, the force will act on the downward direction students. Downward direction में act होगा. So what is the force formula? P into area. That will be P into dA. So this is the force on which face? Force on the face AB. Are you understanding? Perfect. और उसको रेजिस्ट कौन करेगा? उसको रेजिस्ट फ्लूइड ही करेगा ये प्रेशर को. सो दैट विल बी डिनोटेड बाय P प्लस डैबा P बाय डैबा Z इंटू dZ. डैबा P मीन्स पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव इज बीन यूज्ड हियर. सो दिस इज जस्ट द प्रेशर स्टूडेंट्स. ये रहा आपका प्रेशर. मतलब देखो भाई, प्रेशर इंक्रीज होगा. यहाँ पर प्रेशर P था, बट इट इज इंक्रीजिंग बाय विच अमाउंट? इट इज इंक्रीजिंग बाय एन अमाउंट ऑफ डैबा P बाय डैबा Z into dz. So this is pressure. Into its area will be what? Into its area will be dA. So this total formula will be the formula related to force. Are you understanding? So ये force का formula हो गया P plus डैबा P by डैबा Z into dz into dA. Are you understanding this very properly? So this is the force here. Force on CD, force on AB, as well as obviously ये fluid element का weight डाउनवर्ड्स पोजीशन में एक्ट होगा. सो व्हाई हाइड्रोस्टैटिक लॉ इज बीन यूज्ड? इट इज यूज्ड टू फाइंड आउट द प्रेशर. ओके, सो फोर्स जो एक्ट होगा ए बी में वो है P इंटू डी ए. सी डी में जो एक्ट होगा फोर्स दैट इज P प्लस डैबा P बाय डैबा Z इंटू डी जेड इंटू इट्स एरिया. सो ये जो क्वांटिटी है, जो सर्कल किया हुआ क्वांटिटी जो है, दैट विल बी प्रेशर स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, perfect. So now let us understand the meaning of each term step by step. We will try to prove it very properly. So be with me. So pressure force on AB. So I will write here pressure. बोलिए क्या है? Pressure force on AB. Okay, so where was the AB? This was the face AB. This is CD. Okay. So force क्या है? P into dA. This will be P into dA students. Are you getting this point? In the same way, pressure force, I will write here pressure force on the face CD will be what? P plus डैबा P by डैबा Z into dZ. ये हो गया प्रेशर. You have to multiply it by area. So इसलिए मैं स्पेस वैकेंट रखा हूं. You have to multiply it by what? You have to multiply it by area. That will be dA. Perfect. So this is pressure on force AB, pressure on force CD, as well as we have to find its weight. Okay, so weight of the fluid element. So before going to that weight, we know one thing, that specific weight का formula क्या है students? Weight upon volume. So gamma means weight upon volume. So volume weight is denoted by W and volume by V. So W का formula क्या हो गया students? W का formula क्या हुआ? Gamma into V. Okay, so weight of the fluid element, what will be then weight of the fluid element? So I will write down weight of fluid element. So that will be denoted by W, that is gamma into volume. Volume meter cube means area into distance, so dA into dz. This will be the weight. Okay, जो weight act होगा वॉल्यूम. अभी देखो भाई, वॉल्यूम का मीनिंग क्या हुआ? वॉल्यूम इज द एरिया. ओके, एरिया इनटू इट्स लेंथ. वॉल्यूम area into its length. Area is denoted by what? Area is denoted by dA, and length is denoted by what? Length is denoted by dz. So volume का formula क्या हुआ? dA into dz students. Are you understanding? So these are the various forces which is acting. All the forces are in y direction, right? So we are going to use now equilibrium condition, students. We are going to use now the equilibrium condition. So let us see what is the equilibrium condition. Perfect. So I will write here summation of f of y equals to 0. Upward force will be positive. Downward force will be what, students? It will be negative. इतने चीजें याद रखो. ठीक है. सो जो फोर्स ए बी फेस का जो फोर्स है, इट इज मूविंग इन डाउनवर्ड्स डायरेक्शन. सो डाउनवर्ड मीन्स माइनस. आई विल राइट हियर माइनस पी इंटू डी ए. The force on the face CD is moving in upward direction, so that will be plus. Okay, plus it will be what, students? P plus dabba P by dabba Z into dz whole into dA. Are you understanding? वो ऊपर जाके प्लस हो रहा है. Okay, so I hope that you are understanding it very properly. As well as weight, देखो weight कहाँ पर act हो रहा है? Downwards. weight भी हमने find किए थे. So the formula for weight was what, students? Gamma into dA into dz. और कुछ forces है y direction में? नहीं है. बढ़िया. So the next step will be what, students? Here the next step will be, I will just multiply minus p into dA plus, देखो p into dA will be what? pdA. So I will write here p into dA will be pdA. Okay, are you understanding this point, students? Plus dabba p by dabba z into dz dA. देखो ये यहां से मल्टीप्लाई हो गया dA में, minus gamma dA into dz equals to 0. Okay, so what will happen? Minus pdA plus pdA will get cancelled out. We are left with only what? Dabba p by dabba z into dA. Minus will go on right side, it will become plus, so it will be gamma dA into dz. Okay, so यहाँ पे dz ने लिखा शायद. Yes, so dA dz will get cancelled out. We are left with only what? Dabba p by dabba z equals to what? Equals to gamma. Gamma means specific weight. Okay, specific weight है. So dz will go there, it will get multiplied, students. वो क्या होगा? Multiply होगा. So in next step what we will write? Dabba p. In next step what we will write, students? Dabba p, that will be c here. Dabba p equals to gamma into dabba z. Okay, so I have to integrate this equation. I will integrate the equation. So after integrating, it will be integration of dabba p equals to gamma constant है बाहर dabba z. Integration derivative cancel, integration derivative cancel. We are left with p equals to gamma into z. Are you understanding? So आपको अगर pressure find करना है कौन से भी point में, so you can directly use what? You can directly use your gamma into z. Are you understanding? Gamma is the specific weight, students. Specific weight is given by rho into g. So आप ये भी formula लिख सकते हो, P equals to rho into g into z. This can be also a formula for a hydrostatic law. Are you understanding students? देखो ये इतना simple hydrostatic law था. Okay, gamma into z means your pressure is only and only dependent upon what? Z height. जितना आप height increase करोगे उतना ही pressure क्या होगा? Increase होगा, because gamma की value क्या रहती है? Constant. It is what? Constant. So the pressure is directly dependent upon what? Only z. Z मतलब distance. So when you will increase the distance, your pressure is also going to get increased. Okay, I hope that you are understanding this point. So जाते जाते ये law भी देखते हैं. So what this law states? This law states that the rate of pressure, the rate of increase of pressure in vertically downward direction must be equal to, देखो, the pressure in vertically downward direction must be equal to what? The specific weight of the fluid at that point. Specific weight of the fluid at that point. Specific weight रहना चाहिए of the fluid वो पॉइंट पे. ओके, सो दिस वाज द हाइड्रोस्टैटिक लॉ. हाइड्रोस्टैटिक लॉ का कंक्लूजन क्या हुआ? इट इज यूज्ड टू फाइंड प्रेशर एट एनी पॉइंट. ओके, एट एनी पॉइंट. सो अगर आपको प्रेशर फाइंड करना है रेस्ट पोजीशन में, एट विच पोजीशन? रेस्ट पोजीशन, then you are going to use the hydrostatic law. Okay, I hope that you are understanding the point very well. You have understood the hydrostatic law. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. If you want more such video, you can comment in the comment section. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक जरूर करना. थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स.